I was very upset when I realized that my Magic Mouse 2 is not compatible with my iPad Pro when I got it this January. But with the latest update for iPad, it is now working amazingly. In the beginning, I was confused about why Magic Mouse 2 was not showing up in my Bluetooth menu. I had properly disconnected my MacBook Air and Magic Mouse 2 by going to the Bluetooth settings and pressing on the delete button. I even did toggle on and off on my Magic Mouse, but it did not work. I tried the old method in accessibility and stuff, neither was that of any success. But I had missed a major step, and that was my iPad Pro was not updated to the latest OS as the automatic updates were switched off. After updating the device, I just went to my Bluetooth settings and there was my Magic Mouse in other devices menu. It connected without any hassle and did not cause me any issues. But there is one thing which I noticed is that the swipe action does more job than holding and swiping since we are used to a different gestures with MacBook. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to our channel, The Defeated Engineer.